We're gonna record.
Which side y'all think it looks better?
Same as this, though.
Go left.
Left.
I know, I always go with left.
Left, right.
Don't listen to me.
Either one.
Go with left.
It's up to you, man. It's up to you. That's your right, dog. I ain't saying
No,
nothing.
my right, left, my bad. I'm sorry, my bad.
Left looking at you.
My right.
My right.
All right.
Your right?
Yeah. Okay, we got all this witnesses. Who are you?
Real quick. Yeah, just bring yourself some more channel.
It's like that hurts more than the actual piercing.
Clamps are worse than the actual piercing itself, dude. That's worse than the piercing's gonna be.
It is,
honestly.
dude.
That's what the clamps do.
Get his eye.
The clamps are the worst part about it.
No, the tongue, that shit hurts. Especially when it's grabbing hard.
Yeah, cause the tongue's a slippery motherfucker, man.
What the fuck's calling me? Monster.
Deep breath in and out.
That's it.
That's it. Hurt you.
Not bad at all, huh? Clamps are worse, weren't they?
Look, there's a tear.
Yeah.
There's a turn. There's a turn.
Forget y'all.
Oh,
Y'all ain't no support, forget y'all.
Hey, stop moving. Stop moving.
Just breathe.
Why you gotta put the camera on my face?
Right? Zooming in.
You gonna make a
extra zoom.
Do you do piercings too?
Oh, my bad.
I can't do this one. And the rainbow.
El de él está, es more inconspicuous, pero no sé cómo se lo van a enviar.
Open up.
I'm gonna go after